What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're about to go to Disneyland for the fireworks tonight.
Nolan, you ended the vlog already.
This is vlog number 2.
For just the fireworks?
And the other stuff. We got front row, baby. Let's go. Come along with us to see the fireworks at Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Let's go.
No way.
That's where you want to go?
I don't know. Where else would we go?
There's a lot of spots along the way. Hotel California?
You know your songs.
Dad loves the Hotel California.
Look at him.
It's Daya.
Then she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. And then she lit up a candle and showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California.
Alright, we're at the Ballast Point Brewing here at downtown Disney. I got the Aloha Sculpin IPA.
The seasonal pumpkin.
Dad?
Kim Kardashian.
I don't know what I got.
Bailey got the boob check beer.
Oh my god, did I? They need to rotate their circle so I can see it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. We're here in our VIP tour section, waiting for the fireworks. They will be starting shortly.
This is the new vlog.
No. This is an awful time to start a vlog.
No, we started before we left the hotel.
What, is this gonna go into tomorrow?
No, this is part 2 of day 1.
Part 2? Part 1 ended at like...
Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome! It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats! The sights, the sounds! Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize! When pretty girls come out to socialize! As the moonlight fire and shadow tree moves to ride for the midnight spree. Starts to sing and hum. Bring ghosts from modern social. Everyone is a trick or treat. Let's go to the fight. Everyone hail to the pumpkin salute! Well, if she doesn't scare you, no people that will. To see her is to take a sudden. Cheer you! Through her, when for the king!
Streets is a great fireworks show. Would highly recommend seeing it if you're here at Disneyland. The seating section we got from the Happiest Haunts tours made it even better. Would definitely recommend that as well. Probably the best spot we've ever had to see it. Mom, Dad, Bailey, we all enjoyed it. Me, Mom, and Dad saw that show a year ago. However, we were not as good of a spot at all. That spot definitely made it so much better. Would recommend.